How to find phone usage time on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find phone usage time on Android phone. First, then open settings, and then just scroll down until you find battery here, and then scroll down again, and here you will find it, and that's it. Here we'll find the screen on time today on your Android phone, and that's it. That's how to find phone time usage on Android phone, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.